welcome once again back here to my channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how I made my money binder. It's those binders that you save money for specific things throughout the month. I have on mine it says Dream Big Mother Hustler, and then I have my different areas that I'm going to put money aside for specific things. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so the first thing I did was I went ahead and did all the cutouts. I used my Cricut, and then I weeded, and now they're ready to go inside. I have birthdays, I have emergency, invitations. When I say invitations, it's whatever profit I get from my side business of doing invitations. My YouTube channel pays me, so I also have them for the YouTube channel. Wood projects, what I mean with this is my husband has his side business with wood, so whatever profit he gets, that's gonna go there. And travel, I know right now we are COVID, we're not allowed to travel as much, or barely, but when I say travel right now, my family is really into fishing. And majority of that, it's going to be that for like when we go to the lakes and we have to pay the entrance fee and whatnot. So mostly that's what it is. So I got this at the Dollar Tree. I got this at Amazon, and I will put the link down below like so. And what I'm going to do, I already put this in. They come with many inserts. I don't know how many I needed, so I went ahead and just put them all. So once I put the ones I need, these will go like to the side to make sure, like, if ever I need to replace them, this will be it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate the front. And the thing that's going to say in the front, it's going to say Dream Big Mother Hustler, like so. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's harder than what it seems, guys. It really is. But once I have this, I think it just adds character to your book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take these out, this part of it out, and put this to the side. And I'm going to start by laying them like this, guys. And I'm going to tell you why I'm going to lay them like this. So when I do my first one, and the first one will be on wood projects, and I lay it down like that, I will put this on top so I know, it could be somewhat centered. So when I put them back in, they could all look the same or have that same look. So the first one is wood project, and you guys could put them in whatever order you guys want to. I'll probably end up doing alphabetical order just because, it's easier for life. So I'm going to go ahead. I rarely use rulers for this. I do know people, like, they're really precise. They go ahead and they, get the ruler out and they measure 5 inches from here and 5 inches from over there. But since this is mine personal, I don't get that specific. So gotta make sure. I know it seems easy when we fast forward it, but when you're doing it live, without, you know, putting the speed, you can see that it's really a very delicate process to add to remove, you know, the transfer tape. Okay, so gotta give it one of those, especially those dots. Let's see. Oh no, the dot was good. Okay, so oh, see, like that. So then you just, before you put it all out. If you're a newbie to this, always know that take your time when doing this. Don't just think it's gonna come out when, you know, you just get it out like a bandage or something. So that's what I'm gonna do first. And then, so when I put the second part of it, it's see-through. So now I know to put, let's say I want to put emergency funds. I'm going to put it like that. And then that is my guide. So that will be my guide. So now that I have everything done, I have my Dream Big Mother Hustler. I'm going to go ahead and put this. So now I have my birthdays, emergencies, invitations, travel, wood projects, and YouTube. I will add another one when I'm done, and it's going to be for Christmas. I did forget Christmas. I do start saving up, guys, as of January. We always put money inside. We do have, my husband and I, we do have a lot of nieces and nephews, and they're at the age where little cute toys is not going to work anymore. So we do start putting money aside like that. So that is how your money binder is going to look. You could do more. You know, I do have cute stickers, so I could put, like, you know, the balloons around the birthdays and emergency. I could do more to it, but for now, this is all I'm going to do. When you guys have, you know, the money or whatever you guys going to do, you guys could just, you know, it opens, and then you put it in here like so. So say that you want to say birthdays, you're going to put $5. So I'm going to put $5 every time away, every paycheck away. And so you just get your $5 and you put it like that. And then it stays inside. And then you don't touch it. Not even if, you know, you're really, really craving, you know, an awesome ice cream sundae or whatnot. You put it in there, you close it, and then that. You come up with what budget works best for you. I know a lot of people do also have entertainment budget. We had one, and as of last year, we don't have one anymore. So because there's hardly anywhere to go right now. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Comment down below if you guys are going to do this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.